Hello friends, welcome again my sketchware tutorial channel in my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make a text to speech app in sketchware. At first I'm making app speech. At first what we have to do is to give a edit text where we will type the text, and then I'm giving a button naming it speak sorry speak for text size 25 sp and giving it match parent. After that we have to go to component and create a component text to text speech sorry. After that what we have to do is to go to view and click here, and then we have to go to component and set these codes and this, and we have to go to view and we have to give this code here. After that we have to only to enter the things. We may give the pitch 1, this pitch rate 1. These are standard, you can use it as you like. And then I'm giving the text view edit text 1. Making this app is complete. Only for decoration I am giving the button blue. Here you see I am installing this app. Now I am writing here, please subscribe my channel. Now if I tap here, what will see?
Please subscribe my channel.
I think you heard, please subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe my channel.
Here you see.
Please subscribe my channel.
If I type in another language, what will say it?
Please subscribe my channel.
It will say nothing. So that's all. I think that I will give another tutorial to give the Bangla speaking version of in sketchware. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more sketchware tutorials.